1 over 2 times 8. Then here by 2 1, by 2 4. Then 1 times 4 is 4. Therefore 4 divided by 4, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. In this expression there is one division here and one multiplication, okay? So multiplication division has equal priority from left to right. Therefore we have to do this division first, okay? Therefore according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Therefore we have to keep the first number here and change this division into multiplication and flip the second fraction, 2 over 1, okay? Therefore times 8, then 4 times 2, which equals 8, then times 8, okay? Therefore 8 times 8, which equals to 64. This is the final answer of this problem. Therefore the correct answer is equals to 64.